Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Marami na naman po tayong new arrival unit. Lahat po ito quality at magaganda. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan dyan, you should watch this video hanggang sa dulo. You can visit also my Facebook page, J Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon para mas marami po kayong choices na pagpipilian. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po, isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Ready na ba kayo guys? First unit na kasama sa ating lineup, 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 103,000 kms, price 325,000. Location Parañaque City. Sa naghahanap ng affordable na 7-seater capacity, check this out mga bossing. All stock, all original, kahit 2007 model to, well maintained and well preserved unit. 5-speed automatic transmission, smooth ang shifting nito, wala pong delay sa transmission. Malamig ang aircon nitong unit, maayos ang kondisyon ng interior, upuan pati sidings, malinis at presentable appearance. Okay ang mga pang-ilalim, wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po cargo bay nito, intact pa po yan, kita naman sa itsura. At kung marami kayong ilalagay, foldable po ang third row niyan. May set of tools na rin yan at may reserbang gulong. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 2.2 liter diesel engine that produces 148 horsepower at 440 Nm of torque. Good running condition po ang engine yan, ready for long drive. Pero sa mga interesado, pwede po kayo magdala ng sarili yung mekaniko para ma-double check nyo po ang unit at magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Kompleto naman po ang papel nito, updated ang registration, ready for transfer. Outside appearance, smooth shiny paint. Next, 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage G4 1.2 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 59,000 kms, price 345,000. Location Las Piñas City. Top of the line variant, fresh unit, first owned, push start button na po ito, pristine interior condition, all power steering, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. Best buy unit to sa naghahanap ng sedan. Will maintain at alaga po ito ng owner. Makikita nyo naman kung paano inalagaan sa mga upuan, sidings, pati ceiling. Malinis at maayos po yan. Under the hood, naka 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gas engine that produces 76 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history. Available po itong unit sa financing. Andyan po yung computation sa screen, pa-check na lang po. Original shiny paint pa po yan, bagong bapping, bagong wax. Ang pogi ng kulay nito at makakapal pa ang mga gulong. Next, we have 2004 Toyota Vios 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 121,000 kms, price 198,000. Location Las Piñas City. Looking for low budget na sedan? Meron tayong ditong Toyota Vios 1.5G, isa sa mga subok nating brand. Naka-touchscreen head unit na to. May free dashcam na po ito kahit 2004 model. Wala po itong delay sa shifting, maganda pong manakbo. Malinis at intact po ang interior nito. Mga upuan, mattings, pati sidings, maayos po. Under the hood, naka 1.5 liter single VVTi gas engine. Guaranteed no engine issue, no talsek, no usok, no blow-by. Ang issue nito, meron lang itong minor dent na hindi may iwasan sa ganitong year model. Pero overall appearance, smooth shiny paint, very presentable at ang apat na gulong nito bago po lahat. Next, 2020 Toyota Hiace 2.8 Commuter Deluxe, manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 1,180,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong Commuter Deluxe, durable and reliable brand. New look design na po ito, 6-speed manual transmission, smooth and responsive, malakas sumatak. 15-seater capacity, smooth ang suspension nito, komportable po ang mga sasakay dito. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng van, pang family at pang business, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Under the hood, powerful and excellent engine, naka 2.8 liter diesel engine that produces 174 horsepower at 420 Nm of torque. No engine issue, no hidden defects. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen po. Kung cash basis po, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Kung mayroon naman kayong existing unit dyan, pwede nyo pong i-trade in. Nothing to fix, just diesel and go. Next, 2022 Toyota Rush 1.5G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 18,000 kms, price 850,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa gustong mag-upgrade dyan ng 7-seater, eto, best buy unit, good as new condition, 18,000 km lang pong tinakbo, push start button, 4-speed automatic transmission, fresh in and out appearance, quality units, amoy bago pa tong unit. Must see the unit to appreciate. You can bring your trusted mechanic para ma-double check nyo po ang unit. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Syempre, pasok po itong unit sa financing. Plus check ng competition, nasa screen. Ganda rin ang appearance itong unit. Mga gulong, nasa 95% trade line pa po. Mga mugs, naka 17 inches two-toned alloy wheels at wala pa pong mga gutter marks. Next, 2015 acquired Mitsubishi Lancer 1.6 EX GLX. Automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 405,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ang gwapo nitong Mitsubishi Lancer, baka may kursunada nito sa inyo. Naka touchscreen head unit, naka CVT transmission with 6-speed Sportronic mode, paddle shifter, clean and fresh, intact interior. 2014 model to pero 2015 acquired. Private use only to, not bank repo, used but not abused. Under the hood, excellent condition, smooth and quiet engine. Naka 1.6 liter gas engine that produces 115 horsepower at 155 Nm of torque. Malinis ang engine nito, good running condition, ready for long drive. Available po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng competition, nasa screen. Well maintained and well preserved unit to, kahit 2014 model. Must see the unit to appreciate. Sa mga interesado, just comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2014 Toyota Avanza 1.3e, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 370,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 7-seater, meron din tayo ditong Toyota Avanza na manual transmission, naka touchscreen head unit, power steering, naka dual SRS airbag, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Magandang gamitin to, fuel efficient, malinis po ang interior nito, well maintained po ng first owner. Perfect din itong unit pang personal and family use. Under the hood, wala po itong oil leakage, wala po itong overheat history, no talsek, no usok, no blow by. Naka 1.3 liter gas engine that produces 85 horsepower at 170 Nm of torque. Pasok din itong unit sa financing. Please check ng competition, nasa screen po ulit. Kompleto pa ang mga papel nito, ready for transfer, 100%, not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Ready to use na itong unit, just gas and go. Next, 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback 1.2 GLS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 370,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, top of the line series, push start button, naka touchscreen head unit. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng first car nila na gustong gamitin pang araw-araw, pang pasok sa work, matipid po ito sa gas at madaling i-parking. Malinis at quality ang interior nito, naka two-toned leather seat po ang mga upuan. LTO and HPG verified. Under the hood, good running condition engine, naka 1.3 liter 3-cylinder gas engine that produces 76 horsepower at 100 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing. Andyan po yung computation nasa screen. Naka promo po tayo ngayon, naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Sa mga interesado po at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, 2019 Mitsubishi Xpander 1.5 GLS Sport, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 65,000 kms, price 740,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another 7-seater MPV, push start button na to with cruise control. Naka infotainment head unit with reverse camera and sensor. Naka two-toned leather seat cover ang mga upuan. Naka deep dish matting na rin to. Check nyo po ang second row nito. Okay naman ang space ng legroom tsaka headroom. Check nyo po cargo bay nito. Naka trunk tray na rin yan at intact po ang interior. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 104 horsepower at 141 Nm of torque. Ready to use na po ito. Ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Check na lang po ulit ng competition. Nasa screen. Best buy unit to. Casa maintain with Casa records po ito. Naka two-toned alloy wheels at makakapal pa po ang mga gulong neto. Nothing to fix po ito, no issue. Next, we have 2017 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 56,000 kms, price 1,030,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Fortuner, may reverse camera na to at rear parking sensor. Push start button na to, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission, 7 to 8 seater capacity. Naka leather seat cover na po ang mga upuan neto. Maayos ang mga pang-ilalim nito, smooth ang suspension at wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Excellent engine condition, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 148 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Syempre, kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check po ulit ng competition, nasa screen. Ang linis ng pagkaputi nito, naka-stock original shiny paint. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Naka-stock 18 inches na mags at makakapal pa ang mga gulong nito, nasa 90% trade line. Next, we have 2021 Ford Territory 1.5 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 29,000 kms, price 830,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong Ford Territory top of the line series. Ang gwapo po ng forma at interior nitong unit. Naka-infotainment head unit with reverse camera and rear parking sensor. Push start button na to. May electronic stability and traction control system. Naka-premium leather ang upuan pati sidings. All power and all mechanism 100% working. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 141 horsepower at 225 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit natin sa financing. Please check ng computation nasa screen. For more quality units mga idol, pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang aking Facebook page, J. Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Next, we have 2018 Hyundai Accent 1.4 GL, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 41,000 kms, price 388,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng sariwa at quality na sedan, napasok sa inyong budget below 400k po, check this out mga bossing. Clean and fresh, intact interior po ito, all stock, all original, all power, all panel gauge, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. Malinis at maayos ang upholstery nitong unit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Under the hood, naka 1.4 liter gas engine that produces 99 horsepower at 133 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po na ulit ng competition nasa screen. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit ng actual and you can bring your trusted mechanic. For sure, magugustuhan nyo po ito. Next, we have 2019 Mazda 2 Sedan 1.5V Sky Active, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 480,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din tayong quality na sedan na Mazda 2, 6-speed automatic transmission, smooth and responsive po ang shifting nitong unit, all power and all mechanism 100% working. Bagong dating lang po ang unit na to, i-detail at ibabapping pa po ito para mas lalong presentable tingnan. May parking sensor na rin to at reverse camera. Under the hood, no oil leakage po ang engine nito, no overheat history. Naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 89 horsepower at 151 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check po ng competition sa screen. Outside appearance nitong unit, stock original shiny paint. Wala po itong gasgas, walang dent. Sa mga interesado sa unit na to, para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, we have 2018 Toyota Innova 2.8e, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 61,000 kms, price 837,000. Location, Marikina City. Meron din akong sinamang Toyota Innova. Check this out mga bossing. 6-speed automatic transmission, naka-touchscreen head unit, malamig ang aircon, naka-dual ice cold aircon, 7 to 9 seater ang capacity, smooth po ang suspension nito, wala po itong kalampag, wala po itong under chassis noise, fresh inside and out at alaga po ito ng first owner. Perfect din itong unit pang personal and family use, condition na po ito, ready for long drive. Must see the unit to appreciate. Nothing to fix po ito, just diesel and go. Next, we have 2020 Isuzu D-Max 3.0 Blue Power 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 880,000. Location Las Piñas City. Meron din akong sinamang quality na pickup, push start button na to, naka Android touchscreen head unit, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, naka all leather na po ang mga upuan nito pati sidings, all stock at all original pa po itong unit, smooth ang suspension nito at wala pong unwanted noise. Under the hood, powerful engine, no talsek, no usok, no blow-by, naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 187 horsepower at 450 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po itong unit sa financing. Ayan po yung competition sa screen. Ang pogi pa po nitong pickup at ang baba lang po ng tinakbo nito. Kaya sa mga interesado dyan, pwede nyo pong i-check ang unit at i-view nyo po ng actual. Nothing to fix po ito, no issue. Next, 2020 Nissan Urban NB350 2.5 Premium, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 30,000 kms, price 1,180,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa mga mahilig mag-travel dyan, pang family, pang business, etong van, naka-high roof na po ito, 5-speed automatic transmission, clean and intact ang interior, 15-seater capacity, naka-2-toned leather seat na po ang mga upuan yan, very presentable po, ang angas. Smooth ang suspension nito, nothing to fix, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili at nakursunadahan kayo. Kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!